Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. We have officially reached 744 subscribers. Thank you so much. And today we're going to be doing this 3D heart design with Gel X nails using a clear acrylic powder. First, I'm going to be starting off with my nail prep. I'm just pushing back the cuticles and removing the dead skin from around the cuticle. I'm moving very slowly when trimming that dead skin off, just to ensure that I do not cut myself so that I'm not bleeding all over the place. But yeah, as you can see, I'm just pushing my cuticles back here. I'm not doing it as rough as it looks, I promise. But I do like to ensure that I'm removing all of the dead skin that is stuck to the nail bed. And here, as you can see, I do have my cuticle nippers, so I'm just going in and slowly trimming off the dead skin that I see has been lifted once I pushed and lifted up my cuticles. And I'm just mostly doing it around the base of the nail. Take your time when doing this if you choose to do so, but it's not necessarily needed. I just personally love a nice, just deep cuticle. It's my favorite. Next, we're going to go in with a buffing block to rough up the surface of our nail beds. This helps with adhesion for the Gel X extensions. We just want to do a little bit, not too much, and then we'll move on to our next step. Okay guys, and listen, hear me out. I already know these are not going to be linked below, but I do have a similar style that I was using before I found this nail tip, and I loved them so much. So I will link those below for you so that you guys will be able to have the same shape and similar style. And of course, the Beetles nail glue, the tried and true. I'm going to go ahead and apply that to the base of the nails. And as you can see, I have my gooseneck lamp in the back so that we can get a nice flash cure when I apply the Gel X extensions. This is so much better than having to put your fingers individually inside of a lamp, or even the Beetles lamp sometimes isn't the most convenient. But as you can see, I'm pressing that nail back into the cuticle and allowing that glue to flow forward. And then I'm going to go ahead and cure that nail. And after you've applied the nails, you're going to go ahead and cure them in your big lamp for 60 seconds, just to ensure that all of that glue is set. And then here, of course, again, I'm going back in with my buffing block and just roughing up the surface of the Gel X extension so that the polish adheres to it really well. You don't have to rough it up too much, just enough. And then I'm going to be going in with this Beetles gel polish in B072. I love this color so much. If you guys watch my videos, you already know that this polish, I mean it's at the very bottom of the bottle at this point. I'm actually ordering a color similar to this from a different brand, and that should be here soon. So I'm gonna do a comparison and see if it's the same, because I just love these kind of colors, like the nice like milky or cloudy kind of nude pinks, like these more neutral and natural colors. Like this is right up my alley, and I know that it's up a lot of you guys' alley as well. So I'm gonna do 2 coats of this polish, and I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds in between the coats. And then I'm going to be going in with the aqua pink, which is like that clear pink color. It's way more vibrant. I'm going to do 1 coat of that on the nail, and then we're going to start with our design. Okay, you guys, right now I'm going to be going in with our design. I'm using this Barbie pink nail art gel polish, and I was not able to find this to link it below for you guys, but if I'm able to find it, I definitely will go ahead and update those links. In the meantime, I will probably find something that is comparable to this beautiful Barbie pink gel polish. And here I'm just going in with the French tip design. I'm just going ahead and painting that on the nail. This isn't as deep as I would have liked it to be, but you guys will see towards the end that the rest of the nails have a much deeper French tip. And once I'm done applying the French tip, I'm going to go ahead and apply a layer of top coat. Okay, after that, I'm going to be applying the layer of top coat and curing that for 60 seconds. And then I will be going back in with that pink nail art gel polish. I just dumped a little bit out on the back of a palette. And I'm putting 2 dots next to each other, kind of like some Mickey Mouse ears. I'm doing that sporadically all over the nail. And my dotting tool has a small end as well as a larger end, so I'm mostly using the larger end, except for here I'm using the smaller end. And I'm just putting these 2 dots next to each other on the nails, and this is going to be the foundation of our hearts. And then as you can see here, I'm going in with that smaller side of the dotting tool, and I'm just connecting those 2 dots together and creating these little hearts. Aren't they so cute? I love this design. It's so simple, and it looks like you put a lot more effort into it than you actually had to. You just want to ensure that you have a steady hand, and honestly, this is one of the most simple nail designs I think that anyone could do, and it's cute, it's quick, it's easy. Yeah, I love this one. So I'm just going ahead and connecting all the hearts, and then I'm going to go in with some clear acrylic powder. And I'm just going to dump that all over the nail. And as you know, like previously, we already have that cured top coat. So this clear acrylic powder is only going to stick to the hearts. While that powder is still sitting on the nail, once I'm done pouring it on top, you want to make sure that those hearts are like saturated with powder. I'm going to then cure the nail. After curing the nail, we're going to go in with our little brush and remove any remaining powder from the nail. And that's it, you guys. That's all. As you can see here, we got one down, but let me show you the full hand. And here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today, and I look forward to posting more nail videos. Thank you guys again for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.